Hello everybody, my name is Vulkan and I'm from Uzbekistan. I'm living in Tashkent right now. And this video about game developing, actually about a game engine. I'm working APIs like OpenGL and Vulkan. Not Vulkan, I don't use Vulkan anymore because like too hard. I'm building PC right now, the powerful PC from Upgrade computer shop in Tashkent. It's located in Tashkent. And you know, I need like the computers like very powerful, and I want it so badly. You can't believe. I've got some money by myself. I'm gonna show it to you. It's not fake or like anything like that. Oh my god, guys, look at it. You know, like, but it's not enough to buy like PC. I've got $1,000. I wanted Ryzen 7 and like powerful GPU, but I don't have enough money to buy like good component, like good parts of PC, like good GPU or CPU. Maybe somebody can help me. Maybe Doomers Entertainment. Please, guys, if you are watching this video, I hope you're gonna watch it. And that's it. That was all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was not enjoyable video actually. It's like so bad. I'm speaking in English like so bad. I should speak in Uzbek, but you will not think I'm professional, or you will think I'm lying. So that's it. That's all it. Thank you for watching this. Goodbye.